So let us see how to register for this professional estimation and costing course and the procedure that you have to follow after registration. Both these things we are going to cover in this particular video. Alright. So basically wherever you will see this ad for this professional estimation and costing course, either on Facebook or on Instagram, wherever you will see this ad, so just below this image you will get this apply now button. Alright, you can see here at the bottom of this image you will get a apply now button. So simply you have to click on that button and you will be redirected to the page where all the course details are given. Okay, so like this page will open where you will get to see all the course details. Alright, and there itself you can register for the course also. Here simply you have to click on this button. Click here to get instant access. You have to click on this button, and then after that, once you click on that, you will be redirected to the checkout page. Alright, and on this checkout page you have to fill up all your details, the full name, the email ID, phone number and city. These 4 details you have to mention here, and then after putting these details simply scroll down the page and here click on the complete order button to make the payment. Alright, so this is how you have to register for the course, and the same procedure can be done on mobile also. It is not that PC or laptop is must. You can do the same procedure on mobile also. Alright, and after making the payment, once you are registered for the course, immediately, instantly you will get an email like this on your registered email ID. Okay, from CSM trainers and consultants saying congratulations, welcome to this course. Alright, so in this particular email you will get 3 types of details. One is URL. So if you click on this particular link, you will be redirected to the sign in page or to the login page. Alright, so like this the login page will open, and here again you have to put your email ID and password in order to log in order to access the course. Alright, and where you will get this email ID and password, that will be given in this email itself. So after this URL you can see that here an email ID is given and your password is also given. So you have to use these 2 details in order to log in order to get access to the course. So let us put these details over here. Email ID and password I will put it over here in order to access the course. So I have inserted both these details over here, and then I will click on the sign in button. Okay, so as soon as you are logged in, immediately after that you can see the list of all the courses in which you have already enrolled. So for example, right now we have enrolled in this professional estimation and costing course only, right? So because of that, this course is visible over here. So simply click on that and start accessing the course. Alright, now one more thing is, if you are not able to see this particular ad and still if you want to enroll for the course, what you can do is simply you can open our Instagram page. The Instagram page ID is CSM Builder. Okay, so if you open this Instagram page, in the bio of the page we have mentioned the same link here. Alright, so here also you can click on this link and you will be redirected to the page where the course details are given and where you can register for the course. So this is how also you can register for the course. Alright, by clicking on the link which is mentioned in the Instagram page bio. Alright, by both the ways you can register for the course. Alright, so now once you are logged in, here you can see that there are 2 modules are there. On the left hand side you can just follow my cursor. Here are download drawings. This is the first module, and the second module is professional estimation and costing in building construction. So basically in the first module you will get to download all the resources which are related to this particular course. Okay, so for example, if I click on this second resource, which is foundation and column details drawing, if you want to download it, simply you have to click on this download resources button, and as soon as you click on this particular button, you can see at the bottom this file has been downloaded immediately, right? You can open that also. You can see that this file has been downloaded, correct? So like this, simply you can download all the resources, and then after that if you want to access the course videos, simply you have to click on this second module, which is professional estimation and costing in building construction, and in this module you can see that all the video sessions are there. Okay, some 52 odd video sessions are there. So simply let us say if you want to watch this first session, click on the session 1 and simply here you can watch the session 1 like this. So like this you can access the course videos. Alright, so this is how you have to register for the course, and this is the procedure you need to follow after registration. So I hope that all these procedures are clear to all of you. Alright, so this is it for this video. Goodbye for now, and looking forward to meet you inside the course.